Okay. In the help box, you have few words given here. You have jingle, house, chime, tick, rustle, and creak. Okay, these are the sounds which all these pictures do. Okay, each one pictures denotes a particular sound that they make. Okay, now first one is doors. Okay, so what sound does a door make when you open or close, especially during the winter season, right? When you open, yes, doors creak. Okay, yes.
Come, ma'am.
Okay, now in the first dash here, write down. Write down CREAT. Creek. Okay, write down CR. CR.
Let's go.
Yes, Logo Mukesh. Okay, see, you have to take your grammar book, okay, and turn your book to page number 43.
This word only coming.
Okay,
Breaking, ma'am.
okay, I'm going to mute everyone so that you will be able to hear. Now, are you able to hear me? Just show a thumbs up. You're able to hear me? Yes, very good. Thank you, Ria. Yes, thank you, Pratusha. Okay, now first one, all of you have written doors creak. Okay, the sound that doors make is creak. Okay, second one, leaves. During the summertime, when the leaves fall down and they dry up, when you walk on the leaves, what sound does it make? Leaves rustle. Okay, the sound that the leaves make is called as rustle. Okay, write down. In the second blank, write down RUS. RUS TLE. RUS TLE. Arun, please take your grammar book, ma, English grammar. Okay, and turn your book to page number 43. Okay. Second one is leaves rustle. Third one, what sound does the wind make? When the wind blows, what sound does the wind make? Even in cartoons also, you would have seen the wind, the clouds blowing, right? What sound does it make? The sound that winds make is called as howl. Okay. Yes, now write down H-O. H-O-W-L-S. Wind howls. Write down H-O-W-L-S. H-O-W-L-S. Very good, Pratusha. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dhanushta. Take your grammar book and turn your book to page number 43, ma. Okay. Next, fourth one. What sound does coins make? When you drop coins on the table or on the floor, what sound does coins make? Coins make, coins chime. Okay, write down the spelling. C-H. C-H-I-M-E. The sound that coins make is called as
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, what page number, ma'am?
page number
Finish,
43.
ma'am.
Okay, page number 43. Fourth one, chime. C-H-I-M-E. Next one, clocks. What sound does a clock make? Tick. Very good. Write down T-I-C-K. T-I-C-K. Tick. T-I.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abhinaya.
what is the clock spelling, ma'am? Ma'am, finished all writing, ma'am.
Very good, Melvin. Abhinaya, can you repeat which word, ma?
Clock, ma'am.
There is no frock over here.
Ma'am.
Okay, there is no frock over here. First word is creak. Okay, C-R-E-A-K, creak. Second word is rustle,
Ma'am.
R-U-S-T-L-E. Third word is house, H-O-W-L-S. And fourth word, coins, chime, C-H-I-M-E, chime. And fifth one is clock, clocks, tick, T-I-C-K. Okay. And next, the last one, bells. What sound does a bell make?
Jingle, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is
Jingle, ma'am.
J-I-N.
Jingle, ma'am.
Yes, write down J-I-N. J-I-N-G-L-E, jingle. J-I-N-G-L-E, jingle. Okay, all of you have finished writing all the 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please check your answers.
Yes. Nikhil finished, ma'am.
Very good. Now just check your answers.
No, miss.
3. Second one, leaves rustle. Third one, wind howls. Fourth one, coins chime. Fifth one, clocks tick. And sixth one, bells tinkle. Okay. Danishta, have you finished writing, ma? Okay, can I erase the board now? Anyone who's still writing?
I'm finished, ma'am.
Very good.
I may finished, ma'am.
Write down Danishta.
Oh,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good. We'll give another minute. Okay, we'll give another minute for the ones who have not completed. Let them write. Okay. Write quickly. The ones who are still writing, write quickly. Very good, Pratusha. Okay. Now shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now we will work out the next worksheet. Worksheet
Yes,
number
ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Worksheet number.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks with the verbs of your choice. Okay, you can write any verb of your choice. First one, we dash a dinner at 8 o'clock. We
Eat, ma'am.
dinner at 8 o'clock. Okay, so first one, write down A-T. Eat.
Food.
We eat our dinner. Okay, write down E-A-T. Eat. Okay, we eat our dinner at 8 o'clock. Second one, the farmers dash in their fields. The farmers work.
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down W-O-R-K. Work.
Work.
The farmers work in their fields.
W.
W
What the work spelling, ma'am?
W O
in the their
R K.
Ma'am, what is word spelling, ma'am?
W O R K. Okay, work. W O R K. Next, third one. The milkman
Brings, ma'am.
brings. Milkman
Use, ma'am.
brings. Okay, right? Brings. Write down B R I B R I B R I N G S. Brings. Okay, the milkman brings milk for us. Okay, B R I
Is
N
brings spelling, ma'am?
B R I B R I N G S. Brings. Okay, next one. A lion dash when it is hungry. A lion.
No, ma'am.
Very good. Row. Write down R O A R O A R S. A lion roars when it is hungry. Okay, so R O A R S. Roars. R O A R S. Roars. Okay. Next, fifth one. The baby dash on the floor. The baby.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Chrisana.
What is third one, ma'am?
Third one is brings. The milk
ma'am.
okay. B R I N G S. Brings.
B R I. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Fourth one is roars. The lion roars when it is hungry.
See it, Taka.
And fifth
Thank you,
one,
ma'am.
the baby
Crawl, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You can write crawl. C R A W L S. Crawls. C R
What is spelling, ma'am?
C R A W L S. Crawls. Okay, the baby crawls on the floor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, next fifth one. I dash television on Sundays. I
Watch, ma'am.
very good. I watch. Okay, write down W A T C H. Watch. W A T C H.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Watch. Yes, Varun.
Sixth answer is what, ma'am?
Watch. W A
W A
T C H.
T C H.
Okay, watch.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, I watch television on Sundays. Next, seventh one. Teacher dash the questions on the blackboard. Teacher. Right. Very good. Okay, you will write. Right.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. W-R-I.
comes
W-R-I.
Ma'am, what is seventh one, ma'am?
Okay, now seventh one, I'm giving the answer. Write down WRITES. Writes. Okay, the teacher writes the questions on the blackboard. Teacher writes the questions on the blackboard. WRITES. Writes. Okay, next eighth one. George dash with his friends. George.
Play, ma'am.
Very good. George plays. Okay, write down PLAYS. 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 Okay, PLAYS. Plays. Okay, next ninth one. The cat dash milk. The cat.
Drinks milk, ma'am.
Okay, right. DRINKS. 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 Okay, DRINKS. Drinks. The cat drinks milk. Next, the 10th one. The sun dash us heat and light. Yes, write down GIVES. Gives. GI.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Kushal. Okay, GIVES. Gives.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, now the ones who have finished, please check your answers. The ones who are still writing, please write quickly. Okay, first one, we eat our dinner at 8 o'clock. Second one, the farmers work.
Finish, ma'am. Finish.
Yes, very good. Like I told you all, the ones who have finished, please check your answers.
Finish, ma'am.
The ones who have not finished, write down quickly. Okay, first one, we eat our dinner at 8 o'clock. Second one, the farmers work in their fields. Third one, the milkman brings milk for us. Fourth one, a lion roars when it is hungry. Fifth one, the baby crawls on the floor. Sixth one, I watch television on Sundays. Seventh one, teacher writes the questions on the blackboard. Eighth one, George plays with his friends. Ninth one, the cat drinks milk. And the last one is the sun gives us heat and light. Okay, if everyone has finished, just show me a thumbs up so that I can move on. Okay, yes, very good. Melvin, Melissa, Elshiba. Yes, very good. Okay. Anyone who's still writing? Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to erase the board now.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one, turn your book to the next page, page number 44. Okay, page number 44. Give the opposites of the following verbs, choosing them from the help box. Okay, we'll read the words that is given in the help box here. You have create, borrow, find, try, sit, dislike, save, open, mend, and give. Okay, you need to select the words from this box and fill in the opposites of the given words. Okay, first one is laugh. What is the opposite of laugh?
Laugh and cry, ma'am.
Cry. Very good.
Cry.
Cry.
Cry, ma'am. Cry, ma'am.
C-R-Y. Cry. Okay, first one, C-R-Y, cry. Second one, stand. Okay, this side you have. Don't go like this. You need
Second one is open, ma'am.
1 minute.
Sit, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
Sit.
You need to see the numbers given here. You have 1 here and 2 this side. Okay, it is not 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2,
Sit,
3,
ma'am.
4. Okay, so stand is, second one is the stand given this side. So stand, the opposite of stand is sit.
Sit, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Write down S-I-T, sit.
Sit, ma'am. Break.
Okay, second one, stand, sit. Okay, next third one, close. What is the opposite of close?
Open, ma'am.
Open.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Write down O-P-E-N, open.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Pratusha. Okay, so third one, close, open. Open is the opposite of close. Okay, next fourth one, break, mend.
Mend, ma'am.
Mend, very good. Write down M-E-N-T, mend.
What is third one, ma'am?
Third one is open. Third one is open. O-P-E-N, open. And fourth one, mend. Opposite of break is mend. M-E-N-D, mend. M-E.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha?
Yes. What is third one, ma'am?
Third one is open. Third one, open. O-P-E-N, open.
N. Open. N मैले कस्तो लेख्नु चाहिँ आसु
Mend.
Fourth one.
M-E-N-D. Mend. Okay, next, fifth one, destroy. What is the opposite? Very good.
यहाँ हेर पहिला
Okay, write down
Fourth one हेर्न
C-R-E-A-T-E, create. Fifth one, opposite of destroy is to create. C-R. C-R-E-A-T-E, create. C-R-E-A-T-E, create. Okay, next, sixth one, like. This D-I. Very good. Okay, write down D-I-S. D-I-S. L-I-K-E, dislike. Okay, DIS LIK.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
Can the rest of you all hear me? Just show a thumbs up if you're able to hear me, children. Yes, then Sonu, you will have to check your internet connection, ma. You can log off and log in again. Okay?
ma'am.
Yes. Sixth one, like, dislike. Next, seventh one, opposite of take.
Give, ma'am. Throw.
Okay, write down G-I.
Ma'am, give, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Write down G-I.
Take.
G-I.
V-E.
Give. G-I. V-E. Give. Okay, next eighth one. Lose.
Save, ma'am.
Lose.
Find,
Find. Very good. You lose something, you find the same thing. Okay, so write down F-I-N-D. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Okay, F-I-N-D. Find. Okay, next, ninth one.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good. Ninth one, lend. What is your?
ma'am.
Very good. Write down B. B.
சீக்கிரம் ஏச்சுக்கோ நான் கொஞ்சம் ஐரன் மேக்கப் ஐரன் போட்டு பாத்ரூம் போயிட்டு வந்து
What is 9 to 1, ma'am? SIT என்ன மூணு? SIT next. What is 9 to 1, ma'am?
I'm spelling the ninth one. Write it down. B-O. B-O. R-R-O-W. Borrow. Okay, opposite of lend is borrow. B-O-R-R-O-W. Okay, borrow. Next, the last one, spend. What is the opposite of spend?
Save.
Very good. Opposite of
Finished, ma'am. Chrisana finished, ma'am.
Very good, Krisana.
Same. Finished.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am. Finished. Finished.
Okay, now the ones who have finished, very good. Okay, now let us give time.
Ma'am, break, ma'am.
Yes, very,
Ma'am, finish, ma'am. I'll be done it.
very good, Aldrich. Okay, now the ones who have finished, very good. The ones who have not written, not completed, completed soon. Okay, the ones who have written, just check your answers. First one, opposite of laugh is cry. C-R-Y, cry. Second one, opposite of stand is sit. S-I-T, sit. Third one, opposite of close is open. O-P-E-N, open. Fourth one, opposite of break is mend. M-E-N-D, mend. Okay. Next, fifth one, opposite of destroy is create. C-R-E-A-T-E, create. And next one, sixth one, opposite of like is dislike. D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Next, opposite of take is to give. G-I-V-E, give. And opposite of lose is find. F-I-N-D, find. Okay. Next one, ninth one. Opposite of lend is to borrow. B-O-R-R-O-W. And next one, opposite of spend is save. S-A-V-E, save. Okay, hope all of you have finished writing. Anyone has any doubt in what we have done today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then we will finish with today's class. Okay.